From the moment humans first gazed at the stars, we've held a deep fascination with the world beyond our reach. Today, we embark on a different kind of exploration, a journey that reveals the breathtaking beauty and intricate tapestry of our world from a vantage point once reserved for birds. This is the story of aerial views, a perspective that unveils the grandeur of nature's artistry and the complex symphony of human civilization. Through the lens of drones and aerial photography, we gain a fresh appreciation for the scope and scale of our planet, a humbling reminder of our place within its vastness. Mountains become wrinkles on the skin of the planet, rivers snake their way through valleys like silver ribbons, and cities sprawl like intricate mosaics of human endeavor. From the air, we see how natural formations shape human settlements, how urban landscapes blend with their surroundings, and how the delicate balance of ecosystems sustains life as we know it. Throughout history, humans have been captivated by the idea of flight, dreaming of soaring above the clouds and witnessing the world from a celestial perspective. With the advent of aviation, this dream became a reality, and our fascination with aerial views took flight. From the earliest aerial photographs to the breathtaking footage captured by modern drones, we've been captivated by the unique beauty and perspective offered by the world from above. Aerial views possess an undeniable allure, a captivating blend of grandeur and intimacy that draws us in. They offer a sense of awe and wonder as we witness the vastness of deserts, the intricate details of coral reefs, and the sprawling expanse of megacities. It's this unique combination of scale and detail that makes aerial views so captivating, inviting us to explore the world anew. Our journey will take us soaring over some of the most iconic landmarks and breathtaking landscapes on Earth. We'll witness the awe-inspiring scale of the Great Wall of China snaking its way across the rugged terrain, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. We'll glide above the vibrant beaches of Rio de Janeiro, where the azure waters of the Atlantic meet the verdant slopes of Sugarloaf Mountain, a vibrant tapestry of nature and urban life. And we'll navigate the intricate network of canals that weave their way through the heart of Venice, a city seemingly frozen in time. From the otherworldly landscapes of Iceland's volcanic plains to the vibrant coral reefs of the Great Barrier Reef, we'll witness the Earth's remarkable tapestry of life in all its glory. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed as we embark on an unforgettable journey, exploring the world from above and discovering the breathtaking beauty that lies beyond the horizon. From the air, the Great Wall of China truly lives up to its name. It snakes across the landscape like a colossal dragon's spine, stretching over 13,000 miles across mountains, deserts, and grasslands. As we soar above its ramparts, we gain a sense of its immense scale and strategic brilliance. Built to protect the Chinese Empire from invaders, the wall meanders across the terrain, adapting to the natural contours of the land. From our aerial perspective, we can appreciate the sheer manpower and resources required to construct such a monumental structure. The Great Wall of China is more than just a physical barrier. It's a symbol of Chinese culture and identity. For centuries, it has stood as a guardian, protecting the empire from invaders and representing the strength and unity of the Chinese people. The wall's significance extends beyond its military purpose. It served as a vital trade route, connecting different regions of China and facilitating the exchange of goods and ideas. Along its length, bustling towns and trading posts sprang up, evidence of the vibrant life that once thrived along its route. As our aerial journey continues, we venture beyond the wall itself, exploring the diverse landscapes that surround it. To the north, we encounter the vast Gobi Desert, its rolling sand dunes stretching as far as the eye can see. To the south, we fly over lush green valleys and terraced hillsides, evidence of the fertile lands the wall was built to protect. The contrast between these two landscapes highlights the strategic importance of the wall's location, positioned to safeguard the heartland of the Chinese Empire. As we observe these contrasting landscapes from above, we gain a deeper appreciation for the challenges and triumphs of those who lived and worked along the wall. Rio de Janeiro, A city where the energy of urban life collides with the raw beauty of the natural world. Nowhere is this more evident than from the air, where we can truly appreciate the unique interplay between Rio's iconic beaches and the sprawling metropolis that embraces them. The graceful curve of Guanabara Bay stretches out before us, its blue waters reflecting the azure sky above. And nestled between the mountains and the sea, a ribbon of golden sand unfolds, Copacabana Beach. From our aerial perspective, it's easy to see why Rio de Janeiro is often called the Cidade Maravilhosa, the marvelous city. As we soar above Rio's beaches, we're captivated by the kaleidoscope of colors below. The emerald green slopes of Sugarloaf Mountain provide a dramatic backdrop to the golden sands of Copacabana and Ipanema. The turquoise waters of the Atlantic shimmer and sparkle, their hues shifting with the changing light. Beach umbrellas, a riot of stripes and patterns, transform the sand into an abstract work of art. And the people themselves add to the vibrant tapestry, their swimsuits, towels, and beachwear a kaleidoscope of hues that reflects Rio's infectious joie de vivre. From above, we can appreciate the sheer diversity of life that unfolds on these beaches. The beaches of Rio de Janeiro pulsate with a rhythm all their own. From dawn till dusk, life unfolds to the soundtrack of crashing waves, the chatter of vendors, and the infectious beat of Brazilian music. The early morning belongs to the surfers, who carve graceful arcs through the waves, their silhouettes outlined against the rising sun. As the day progresses, the beaches come alive with activity. Families arrive, children's laughter filling the air as they splash in the shallows. Volleyball games erupt, the rhythmic thud of the ball punctuated by shouts and cheers. But Rio's beaches are more than just a place to soak up the sun and enjoy the surf. They represent a way of life, a state of mind that permeates the entire city. The Carioca spirit, a blend of warmth, spontaneity, and love of life, is palpable everywhere. From the bustling streets of Copacabana to the tranquil shores of Ipanema. We've witnessed the harmonious convergence of nature and urban life, the vibrant tapestry of colors and cultures, and the infectious rhythms that animate these iconic shores. Rio's beaches are a testament to the city's enduring allure, a place where the everyday transforms into the extraordinary. From the air, Venice is a sight unlike any other. A city built not on solid ground but on a lagoon, crisscrossed by a labyrinth of canals that shimmer like silver ribbons in the sunlight. As we soar above the Venetian lagoon, the city unfolds before us like an intricate tapestry woven from water and stone. The Grand Canal, Venice's main artery, snakes its way through the heart of the city, lined with magnificent palazzos, their facades reflected in the water below. Gondolas and vaporetti, Venice's traditional boats, glide along the canals, their wakes creating a mesmerizing dance of ripples. Bridges, both grand and humble, arch over the waterways, connecting the different districts of this floating city. Venice's canals are more than just picturesque waterways, they are the lifeblood of the city, its arteries of commerce, transportation, and social interaction. For centuries, these canals have carried merchants, artisans, and travelers, connecting Venice to the wider world. We see gondolas laden with goods, their gondoliers skillfully navigating the narrow waterways. Vaporetti, Venice's water buses, ferry passengers and supplies, their engines humming a constant rhythm that echoes through the canals. From our aerial perspective, we witness the timeless rituals of Venetian life, a reminder that while the world outside may change, the rhythms of this unique city endure. Yet, as we observe Venice from above, we also become aware of its fragility. This city, built on water, faces an uncertain future as sea levels rise, and the delicate balance between land and sea is threatened. The acqua alta, the periodic flooding that inundates Venice's streets and piazzas, is a growing concern, a visible manifestation of the challenges this unique city faces. But even in the face of these challenges, Venice endures, its spirit undimmed. The people of Venice, deeply connected to their city and its heritage, are working to preserve its unique beauty for generations to come. As we conclude our aerial exploration of Venice's canals, we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. We've witnessed the ingenuity of a city built on water, the rich tapestry of its history woven into its very fabric, and the delicate balance it maintains between human endeavor and the forces of nature. Venice's canals are a reminder that the most extraordinary creations are often born from the most challenging circumstances. They are a testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity, the allure of beauty, and the importance of preserving our cultural heritage for generations to come. As the sun sets over the Venetian lagoon, casting a golden glow on the city's rooftops and canals, we bid farewell to this extraordinary place, carrying with us memories of its unique charm and a renewed appreciation for the delicate balance of life on Earth. Our journey doesn't end with man-made marvels. Nature reveals its most breathtaking secrets from above. The Grand Canyon, a colossal scar carved by the Colorado River, stretches out like a geological tapestry. From the air, its scale is staggering, a vast chasm of layered rock formations. We soar above the canyon's rim, tracing the river's path as it meanders below. Moving to East Africa, we glide above the lush landscapes. The Serengeti National Park unfurls beneath us, teeming with life. We witness the Great Migration, thousands of wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles moving in unison. From the grandeur of nature, we turn our attention back to the creations of humankind. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of Parisian romance and architectural ingenuity, pierces the sky. Its intricate design is a symphony of curves and angles, bolts and beams. Below, the Champ de Mars gardens radiate outward, showcasing French order and symmetry. Beyond the tower, Paris unfolds with grand boulevards and historic buildings. Next, we visit Sydney Harbour, home to the iconic Sydney Opera House. Its sail-like shells float on the water's edge, a marvel of imagination and daring. The harbor shimmers below, dotted with sailboats, while Sydney sprawls out beyond. Our aerial exploration isn't limited to iconic landmarks. From above, familiar urban landscapes reveal hidden patterns and unexpected beauty. We fly over New York City, its towering skyscrapers a testament to human ambition. Central Park, a green oasis, provides a welcome respite from the urban sprawl. In Rome, history unfolds beneath us like a scroll. We soar above the Colosseum, a reminder of the Roman Empire's grandeur. From above, we appreciate the layers of history shaping this eternal city. As we conclude our aerial exploration of the world, we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the soaring heights of the Himalayas to the depths of the Grand Canyon, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beaches of Bali, we've witnessed the incredible diversity and beauty of our planet. Aerial views have the power to transform the familiar into the extraordinary, to reveal hidden patterns and unexpected connections, and to inspire a deeper appreciation for the world we inhabit. They remind us that there is always more to discover, more to explore, and more to learn about the planet we call home. As we conclude our journey across the globe, soaring above iconic landmarks and hidden gems, we're reminded of the profound impact of aerial perspectives. From the sweeping grandeur of mountain ranges to the intricate details of city streets, the world from above takes on a new dimension. We've witnessed the breathtaking scale of natural wonders like the Great Wall of China and the Grand Canyon, testaments to the Earth's immense power. We've marveled at the ingenuity of human creations, from the Eiffel Tower's elegant latticework to the Sydney Opera House's sail-like shells. Through the lens of drones, we've gained a fresh appreciation for the interconnectedness of our planet. Aerial views extend beyond the visual. Shifting perspectives expands our horizons, opening us to new ways of seeing the world. They challenge our notions, encouraging us to embrace the unknown, fostering wonder and curiosity, reminding us there's always more to discover. Aerial perspectives offer unity and interconnectedness, reminding us we're part of something larger sharing this planet. This perspective fosters responsibility for our environment and each other. As we conclude our aerial exploration, we extend an invitation to you, the viewer, to embark on your own journey of discovery. Whether it's through the lens of a drone, the window of an airplane, or simply by looking at a map with fresh eyes, we encourage you to explore the world from above and unlock its hidden wonders. Seek out new perspectives, challenge your assumptions, and allow yourself to be amazed by the beauty and complexity of our planet. Share your discoveries with others, inspiring them to embark on their own explorations and to appreciate the interconnectedness of all things. The world from above is a constant source of wonder, offering endless opportunities for exploration, discovery, and connection. So let your curiosity soar, embrace the unknown, and embark on an unforgettable journey that will forever change the way you see the world.